Hey there, speculators. It is Roderick, lead futures trader, Futures on Fire, where we trade futures every day for daily income on their PTR, the Pro Trader Room. It's also part of the TDG, or Traders Dev group of companies. Okay, in tonight's video, I'm just going to capitalize on some of this incredible volatility going on right now. And just to make a real-time video in the paper trading account on TradingView, you can check the channel for other examples. Just did a video on trading, paper trading on here, but really it's to reinforce the benefit of 23-hour markets, no pattern day trader, and also very capital efficient is what the futures markets are. And you can take advantage of the extreme volatility that we're seeing right now during these series of videos that I'm making, where we're seeing multi-thousand point moves during the day and multi-thousand point moves during the night, the overnight session, or what we call the Globex. So what I'm going to do is just real quick, as you can see on the screen here, I have a number of positions. Again, this is in the paper trading account. Some of them are also in my Tradovate account, which I'm not going to bring up because I don't feel like blurring the account number right now. So anyhow, but you can see long natural gas, long a little bit of gold, long Russell, long the MNQ, long MES, long the Dow Jones, long the Dow Jones Micro, and then also long the ZN, where it was just short the ZN a little bit. So why am I in all of those positions? Well, let's come over here, and you can see that I'm in these positions because we actually got in real time on the 30-minute. Now, the 30-minute is a little unusual. Typically, we're going to use the extreme turn signal, which is a custom indicator available as part of our price action series. You can find out more about just in general this indicator, how it works, how it prints some nice turning point signals right on your chart directly in TradingView by clicking the link below in the description. Just open up the little toggle depending on how where you're watching this video. You should see more information about it. If there isn't a link in there for some reason, how about you just like and subscribe and turn on the little notification bell. You'll be notified of additional videos of this nature where we will be rolling out this particular indicator. I might be jumping the gun a little bit at the time that I am making this video right here. But you can see tonight, at least, I'm going to pick just about every single market is going to have one of these extreme turn buy signals on there, hence the reason I'm actually in these trades. Now, since I did them in the paper account, I did not put associated stops and targets. Of course, all of our live trading is done with stops and targets. I'm now just going to show you how easy it is to actually close these out in the paper account. That's the MES. I'm not long the ES, but you can see it had a signal here as well. Dow Jones right here, I'll take this position off right there, close that position. MYM, we're in this as well, close that. We're getting some nice bounces. Now, you could actually look for extended targets all the way back up to this T line. This is called our trend line. You can see that during this drop that we've been having in all of these indices, we have not got all the way up to the T line. So that would potentially be a little greedy. But again, this video is only for demonstration purposes, just to show you the nature of how you can trade these signals in real time. The time I'm making this video, it's actually 12:15 a.m. East Coast time. And the markets are, again, 23-hour markets, so you can take advantage of this in these type of hours. We'll come over here to the NASDAQ, and we have a position in there. Wow, that's up almost $807. I would like to point out these types of moves and extreme turns that you're going to have in the middle of the night are not very typical, but they are typical of the current conditions we're in, which are very atypical. I'm just going to go down the gamut here, get out of the RTY, close that position. Again, every one of these signals was generated. Now, gold, you can see, did not generate a signal in here. I just wanted to pick up a little gold. I was looking at another chart. We did have some extreme turn buys in gold that occurred a little bit earlier. And here you can see we got an extreme turn sell to sell the bonds in this particular environment. So I'm long this bond position here. I got a different signal, so I'm just going to close that out. And that's about it. Oh, natural gas. I think we had a position in natural gas as well. Here's an extreme turn. I missed this when the signal originally fired. I was just putting in the trades in the other account there. To find out more about this extreme turn signal, which works in multiple time frames, you can trade it using any particular instrument, and identifies major potential turns in any market. So you're going to be trying to buy bottoms and sell tops, but you're going to do so with the benefit of an indicator, custom indicator that helps you pick those spots in the marketplace. All right, I'll leave it there for tonight. Just wanted to show the beauty of, again, 23-hour markets, low capital requirements, and a very powerful indicator that can pick some spots in the market, which we call our money points, or our turning points, where you can pick up some nice profit. To find out anything more, you can click the description below. If you thought this video was useful and you would like to learn more about how we do trade futures for daily income, as well as express these same positions using options like calls and puts for directional, or sometimes we'll do spreads if you're a little bit more advanced. We also teach and train on those various ways to express these signals using options as well. Leave a little like, a comment, hit the notification, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel as we grow this brand. Again, my name is Trader Roderick with Futures on Fire, part of the TDG Traders Dev Group community of trading products. Look forward to seeing you at the next video. Stay green and trade like you mean it. Thanks.